Hey there again, Techians. So, on the previous video, we have already added the script so that we can make this UI work. And part of that, we added this text, the text for score and the text for the life. So whenever the player catches the right letter, the score text will increment, and whenever the player catches the wrong letter, the life point will decrease. So for this video, we will now be setting up the condition wherein we will be instantiating some UI sprites, specifically the game over sprite, winner sprite, and the portal sprite. So game over sprite will pop up if the score value, or not the score value, if the life value is equal to 0. So it will pop up there as game over, signifying that the game is over. And whenever the portal pops up, that means that you are privileged, or you are now qualified to proceed to level 2 if a certain score is met. So to do that, let's activate this 3 UI first: the game over, winner, and the portal. So if you can still remember in the previous video, I've said that we're gonna add some scripts to it so that when the game starts, this UI, or this game over, winner, and portal UI will not instantly appear at the beginning of the game. Because we don't want that. We don't want any objects blocking our or blocking the center of the screen of our game. So let's head over to our script and select the game manager. First, we're gonna declare the game object, which is the 3 game objects. So public, not only 3. Let's head over back to Unity. I forgot the the home and game over, which is under the game over UI spot. We're also gonna set this active to false, and then whenever a condition is met, we will set it active to true. So we're gonna store it in a variable, but we are going to write it in a single code so that we will not be repeatedly typing public game object for this and that, and this will save time. So public game object for, let's say, game over sprite. I'm gonna write SPR sprite, home not home, winner SPR, portal SPR, else home SPR, and what else, a reset SPR, and there we have it. I just written it, or I just wrote it in a single code. Public game object, the game object, game over, winner spy, and portal. So you can name it however or whatever you want. For me, I'm gonna name it like that so that I'll be closely it will be closely related to a sprite game object. So here in the start event function, we're gonna declare them or set them active to false, so that when the game starts, I've said it thousands of times, so I'm just joking. Anyway, so in order to set this game object to false, we're just gonna write the name of the variable first, game over SPR dot set active to false, and I'm just gonna copy this one since we're gonna write this in all the game objects that we have just declared. Winner SPR dot control V, and portal SPR set active to false. What else we have there? Home SPR that set active to false, and reset SPR that set active to false. So when the game starts, let's see, they should be deactivated from the scene. Okay, and why is, oh, okay, I know. They will not be deactivated since we didn't put them in the game manager value here. Yep. Okay, we missed that. Don't ever forget, when you declare a public variable, it will be shown here in the inspector. So let's head over to, so game over is for game over. Winner SPR is for winner SPR. Winner. Portal is for portal. Home SPR, it's in the canvas. Home, and then replay. So let's see, they should be deactivated. And there you have it. They are now deactivated. Now let's catch the letter S. Oops. Okay. And M. Okay. The point is our recently made script is still working. Of course, it will still work. And then we're gonna head to console and clear this error. So hit Ctrl S. And then we're gonna make now the condition. So for the portal to appear, the portal is responsible for, it's like the passageway for the player to be able to transfer in the next level or move into the next level. So since it is based in our score, there should be a value or a number of scores that should be achieved so that the player will be able to move to the next level. So here inside the score is a function. We're gonna add if score, so the variable score is equal to, let's say, 5 points. You just want the learners to achieve 5 points. If score is equal to 5, we're gonna set active the winner SPR dot set active to true, and also the portal SPR dot set active to true as well. And then if the life point is equal to 0, we're gonna pop the game over sprite, or we're gonna pop up the game over sprite in the game, as well as the home and reset SPR. So here we're gonna make the if life is equal to 0, game over SPR that set active true, and home SPR dot set active true as well. And the lastly is the reset. Yep. And there we have it. We have just made the conditions wherein these sprites will be activated. So let's see. Yep. So let's catch the M. Let's try to reach the 5 point or score of 5, so that we will be able to see the winner sprite and the portal sprite pops up where it was set its position. So 3, we only need 2 points and only 1. Come on, letter M. We need letter M. Okay, there we have it. Letter M. And there you have it. You are now winner. The letter keeps falling, and I want that. I want that kind of effect. And the player should move here in the portal and be teleported to the next level. And since we haven't made that function, it won't work. And we haven't made also the level 2. It won't work. So for now, let's just make it as is. Now let's try to, we have only the value of life 1, so let's see if it becomes 0. This the game over sprite should pop up. So there you have it. The life is 0 and -1. We don't want that. And there you have it. And 0, 0, and like that. So there we have just made the conditions we're in. These sprites will be in use. So that's it for this video. Next we will be adding functionalities to these buttons, so that whenever we click this button, it will do a certain action. So see ya, Techians, in our next module.